Hi everyone, I hope you're all having lovely Ramadan. As Eid is just around the corner, I thought I'll share with you my decorations I made for this Eid, and also this mosque I made for my son as it's lockdown and he was really missing his cousins and friends because normally he goes to mosque with them, so I didn't wanted him to miss out on anything. I also made this sack for presents, and I'm also gonna share a free template that I made for Eidi. So it's like an Eidi envelope, as you can see. If you like it, you can just print it for free. I'm gonna link it down below. So I also made this banner. I'm gonna share it with you. So without further ado, let's get started. So that's the template. You can buy online. They sell it like in a package for a few pounds, but I never really liked their design, so I made my own. I printed it on A4 card paper and will recommend you as well. That way it will keep its shape. You can use it for Eid or any small presents. I remember in my time, Pakistan, we used to get excited for mostly Eid and churiyan, mehndi, all these stuff. But obviously here in Britain it's different. It's subcultural society and here kids are a bit different. So you have to do things different way. So these things do make a difference. They get more excited about Eid. So for the banner, which I made few years back but I still use it, all you have to do is cut it in a flag shape. Stick the jute thread with the glue. Just make sure while writing on the jute to put something under it and let it dry, then pick it up. Otherwise the paint will go on other bits and it will show up on the front. So this sack I got online, but you can also use pillow cover. So I printed my son's name and Eid Mubarak, and I'll show you how I stick it on. You can paint it like I did on the banner, but I would prefer just doing it this way. That way I have more choice and I can just change for next year according to my son's age. All I did is use double-sided tape to stick it on as I wanted. Then I got my needle and thread and did tiny stitches just like that. Not on all areas, just in the corners. That way later on I can just take it off and next year I can do different design. Now I'm gonna iron the sack and put presents in, which I wrapped in a wrapping paper that I keep from my delivery boxes. You don't need to go overboard on the presents. All I did was bought slippers and stationery which he needed anyway, but I'll give him in a sack. Hopefully he'll appreciate it more. So for the mosque, I used this big box I had. I opened it up. I wanted my mosque to be collapsible so that I can easily store it away. So that's the shape I made, and for the minaret I just made 2 slits and just slide it in. As my mosque didn't have any back or any support, so I just cut, it wasn't holding properly straight, so I just cut these sticks to support it and I sticked it with double-sided tape. You can use any glue. So that's how it looks. That way it was standing tall. I got this black paint and I just painted all the edges to give it some dimensions and made some windows. To make my son involved and keep it all simple and easy, I just printed his name and mosque and he helped me stick it on. He was very proud of it. I forgot to mention there is Eid Mubarak Wreath in this video, which I made in a separate tutorial. I'll link it down below so you can check it out how I made it. So that's it for now guys. I hope you find it helpful. Have a lovely Ramadan and coming Eid. So fi amanillah and take care. Assalamu alaikum.